let's discuss the second part of the lesson, some more personal habits that we need to maintain in order to maintain a good health and hygiene. Firstly, regarding the fingernails and toenails trimming. So, dear students, dirt and germs it love to burrow under the nails. They can turn the nails yellow or cause streaking. So we should always clean our nails. We should always trim our nails in time, on regular interval of time, I should say. While washing hands, we should wash our nails also. When we are washing our hands, we should take care that we should wash our nails also, and we should clean and trim them at regular intervals in order to avoid any germs. Next is bathing. Dirt and germs they get deposited on the outer layer of the skin. So taking a bath regularly and scrubbing the skin are the best ways to keep the skin clean and germ free. So take baths regularly, and in summer season we usually take bath twice a day. So make it a habit to wash your body properly and scrub it daily in order to get rid of the germs. Next is regarding the washing of the clothes. Clothes should be cleaned regularly as they are in touch with our skin. If we don't wash our clothes, germs can grow on them, which in turn can infect our skin and other organs also. Because we are wearing clothes, so they are in touch with our skin. If any germ is in contact with the cloth, then obviously it will lead our skin. So washing clothes is also an important thing that we should follow, that we should wash our clothes properly. We should not wear the dirty clothes again and again. After wearing it once, we should wash the clothes. Washing powder and disinfectant should be used while washing the clothes. So make sure that you use some disinfectant in order to avoid the germs. Let us have the exercise now. This is the most common dental global disease, means most common dental global disease means over the globe it is spread over the globe. All around the world people suffer from this disease. So the most common disease that people suffer all around the world is tooth decay. It is the problem because many people, they are usually careless about brushing the teeth, especially at night time, and it is a habit that is needed to be maintained for proper health and hygiene of the teeth. So better you brush your teeth twice a day. Next is dental hygiene is also known as, and the answer is oral hygiene because it is related to the oral thing, so we also call it the oral hygiene. These are germs that can only survive inside of a host. Their lifespan is relatively short but can cause a lot of damage. We have studied in science also that viruses they are the entities between living and non-living. Until and unless they find some living host, they will not be active. So virus is the answer of this question because they need a living host. Which of the following flossing cannot do? So what is the thing that flossing is not able to do? And the answer is have to restore the tooth enamel. So tooth enamel is the part that is the strongest part of our body we have studied, and it needs to be maintained, and proper brushing and taking care of teeth can help it. Hygiene is a part of health. So hygiene and health they can't be separated, they are always together, they go hand in hand together, and these are the things which can't be separated. If we want good health, then we have to maintain proper hygiene, because proper hygiene we maintain some habits that help us to be clean, and health is wealth is a well known saying that we should always follow. So dear students, better you follow all these habits and do all what is taught in the lesson, then you will be blessed with a great health. Let us learn about the additives also. Nilanshi Patel, a 16-year-old girl from Gujarat, has set a new record for the longest hair on a teenager, with long hair locks that measure about 170.5